trust and loyalty, love with a beautiful heart, I don't see love, she say they sweet, love with the sweet, love with the sweet, no, she love me, you love me, you love me, unconditional love with the sweet. Love with the sweet, love with the sweet, I'm a she love me, well, you love me, you love me, unconditional love, love with the sweet, love with the sweet, I'm a she love me, well, you love me, you love me.
All my life, I have never seen 1 million naira at once. In all my struggles and pursuit for money, I have never ever made 1 million naira of my own. But in 2 days, just 2 days, 1 million naira journeyed to me on a platter. I didn't steal. I didn't do Yahoo. I didn't prostitute. A clean 1 million came to me just like that. This life is really deep. Just because I went to see someone, I have 1 million. Life is indeed deep.
I'm really sorry about yesterday. I thought you knew that you drop the collateral before you get the money.
Guys, why are you talking like that? Why? Huh? Where do I get collateral from? Where do I get the house, the car, the land, or whatever you're talking about? You knew about this thing, you waste my hope and smashed me on the floor. Is it right?
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm your guy. One simple mistake, you won't chop me off.
But it's not about being sorry. It's about the money. I still need a loan. I still need where to get money from.
I don't know where you can get that kind of money without collateral. Or maybe you can try all these loan apps now. They can... But the problem is they can't even give you the amount of money you're looking for.
And that's the reason I've not tried it. See, I won't be ashamed though. God no go shame me. You understand?
Yeah, I understand. But your woman, she can be of help here. You said she's independent, so why don't you need her to give you the money? She should bring you the money. You understand? Afterwards, you can give it to her. Since you don't want to do a big event, talk to her. She'll give it to you.
I think you're right. Yeah, she might not have up to 1 million naira, but she can actually bring out 500,000.
Yeah,
we can work around that 500,000 and make out something with it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very simple. Instead of the traditional marriage not to hold.
Exactly.
You guys should just do it that way. After it's the same house, you people will stay after the everything. You will go as well and stay in the house together. Sort it out. Very sharp idea.
think you're right. I'll do it.
You know the best for me again. I've been giving you this sharp idea. Based on that, your man.
Babe, what happened? You don't want to talk to me. Tell me now, what did he say? Huh? Joy, the truth of the matter is, I don't think I can say anything to you right now. I'm not in the right frame of mind to talk. Alright? When I can, I'll tell you everything you need to know. I mean, what did he do to you, Helen? I hope this guy has not used jazz on you. Why are you suddenly emotionally down after your visit with to this guy? Huh? Come on, girl. You were agile and cheerful before you left to meet this guy. What happened? Huh? Joy, he did not use jazz on me. He did not do anything to me. It's just that Obele opened my eyes to so many things. It kept me wondering. Of a truth, I'm emotionally down. That is because I have been pondering on the too many things he said to me. Babe, all my life, nobody has ever said what Obele said to me. I am still digesting everything he said, so please, I beg you, girlfriend, try to understand me, okay? I beg you, please. As it is now, at this point, I don't trust you on this anymore. How can I even expect you to trust me at this point of my life now, when I don't even trust myself either?
Since the very first time I set my eyes on you, I wept in my heart. I saw an error on rampage. I saw a beggar riding on a horse while a princess walks on her bare feet. Then I said to myself, woe unto me if I allow this to happen, if I fail to correct this error.
What are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about. I see a princess mingling with beggars. I see a beggar parading himself as your hero. Do you really know who you are? Do you know your worth at all? Do you know how beautiful you are? See, let me tell you. The day God created every human being on earth is the day He decides their fate. Whether they will be royalty or they will be a commoner. Why not allow God place you where He wants you to be? Royalty. Well, I'll leave you to your conscience. I mean, how can a beautiful girl like you stay under the sun, flagging tricycle and motorcycle on the way? You're not supposed to be there. You are not supposed to be under the sun. That's because you chose the wrong option.
I don't know what you're talking about. Believe me, I don't understand this. I don't know what you're talking about.
Anyway, this is me offering you an opportunity of a real life destiny. Please allow me be your hero. Allow me to take you to that class where you belong. And
just relax now, okay? Oh, the boss. The boss. I greet you. Welcome.
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. How are you?
Very well.
I must meet Helen, the lady I've been talking to.
This is trust and loyalty, love with a beautiful heart, yeah. I don't see love, she say they see it, yeah. Love with a sweet, yeah. Love with a sweet,
Oh, not again now. This early morning.
Not again, not again. What's going on? Why is she not picking her call?
Can you just, I will just turn off this phone. What's all this now? Hey! Really? Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning, how was your night?
Fine, thank you, and yours?
The truth is that your thoughts kept me awake all through the night. The thought of an angel in the arms of a monster. The thoughts of a beggar riding on a horse while the princess walks barefooted. And I ask, for how long will this evil continue?
Obele, why are you doing this? Why? Why are you telling me all this now?
You know very well that I have accepted another man's ring.
It is not even just any man out there. It is your trusted and loyal friend, Obele. What did you gain in saying all of this to me? Why?
Well, it doesn't matter how long you've been on the wrong route. When you realize that you've been on the wrong route for a long time, all you need to do is to do what? Make a U-turn.
The number you call is on the call. But I've been calling her since last night, and she's not picking my calls. And I called her again this morning. That means she saw all the calls I've been giving her, and she decided to ignore it. I'm going to meet Helen now. Into Helen's house now.
A U-turn? A U-turn by this time?
Obele, our wedding is in few weeks' time.
It is too late. It is too late. It can't work.
The sponsor of this wedding is telling you right now that this wedding will not hold. Because
No, please, Obele, please, I beg you in the name of whatever thing you hold so dear, don't do this.
You can't do this to your friend, it's not right.
It is not even good. It's not good for the ear. Anybody that hears this, no, it doesn't sound right. Please, I beg you, please.
do you want me to fold my arms and allow you go into this marriage and suffer for the rest of your life? What are we talking about? This is my boy. I am feeding him, and you want to waste your whole entire life with him in pain and penury, in agony. No, come on, baby. Don't do this to yourself. See, I have conscience, alright? And my conscience tells me to tell you that it will not work. So I wouldn't want you to keep begging or come to my house one day and beg me for food. Come on, right? Don't go struggling with a low-life human being that doesn't even know his right or left. Doesn't even know what the future holds for him. See, let me tell you. I am future. I am blessed. And I'm going to take good care of you. Right?
I'm sorry, please. I just have to end this call. I just have to end this call, please.
It is working. It is working. Chai! Nah, I'm welcome this girl all. Now what for you? What do you mean? Fine girl like that? Eh? Kai, Obele. Obele, you are too much. You are too much one day. How can a boy, my boy, get married to such a beautiful girl? Come on now. I'm gonna say, I was Obele Nekozi. The girl don't fall. Yakata. Now wow. Now wow. If I know is a lie.
She doesn't want to talk to me. I don't know what is troubling her. I don't know. She's been crying all day.
Come on, Smart. How can you say you don't know what is troubling your woman when her wedding is in 2 weeks? And she doesn't even see it happen because your sponsor has failed you. Come on, Smart. She's a woman for crying out loud.
Yes. Obele. Obele has failed me, yes. I went to borrow money and I failed. That's true, but she's still my woman. We can still come together and put her together and see what we can do. Avoiding me will not solve anything at this point in time. It will not.
But you know how women reason. They think in one direction. They reason in one direction. Whatever is in her mind right now is that this marriage has failed.
So what do you suggest I do now?
Prove her wrong. Prove her wrong. Even if your sponsor has failed you, prove her wrong. Show her that you can make this thing work. Show her that you're a man. Prove her wrong. You must get this money by all costs.
Of course, I'm a man. And I'm 100% ready for this marriage.
Oh, yes.
And I'm not going to cancel my wedding.
You will not.
I will not cancel. I will go and get that money by hook or crook.
I hope you must get it.
I'm a man now.
You must get it.
I will do my marriage and it will be a success.
Yes.
Yeah? I must go and get that money.
You will get it.
After all, you finally you guys borrow me 500 and then I'll go and borrow 500.
Then we'll add it up and do it.
Do you have 500? No, I don't have.
Joy, I'm so confused right now. I don't want to hurt Smart. And at the same time, I don't want to make a mistake. No one deserves to suffer. Everyone deserves a better life. Another 500,000. Making it 1 million naira in 2 days. I swear down. I swear that guy is ready to spoil me with cash, but I don't know. I'm just confused. It's okay. Don't cry. Just stop crying, please. Well, it's natural for any woman to fall for money. Every woman deserves a man that can take good care of her. And give her extra comfort without struggling for it. I will be lying to you if I should tell you to stick to poverty and lack over affluence. I mean, who says you can't live in a good house? Who says you can't own your own car? Who says you can't own a shopping mall, live life in luxury? Now you get the point. Joy, now you understand. But then I can't hurt Smart. I still cannot hurt him. I feel so guilty already. Do you know that when he came here today, I could not even look at his eyes. I couldn't look him in the eyes. I'm not even sure that I can survive a day knowing fully well that I hurt someone if I finally end up with Obele. Now this is the best thing to do. Okay. I think you should accept Obele's proposal in one condition, which is that he should settle Smart. He has served him all these years. I believe if Smart is established, he may not feel hurt knowing fully well that Obele settled him because of you. Joy. Now this sounds better. This sounds so good, just like your theme. I never thought of this. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
It's okay, don't cry anymore. Okay?
Everything will be fine. I'm here for you. Please stop crying. Don't cry. Okay?
It's okay.
It's okay.
A friend that is more than a brother. No one can separate them. The bond is too much. They care for each other without compromising. They are more like brothers, not just friends. This is refreshing. Osomugobi, no compromising. They are helping each other.
Baby.
This is refreshing. Osomugobi, no compromising. They are helping each other.
Babe, what is going on? I've been calling you all day, all night. You were not picking your calls. What's going on? Babe, you're crying. What is it? Babe, why are you crying? You're not talking to me. Babe, talk to me. What is going on? Please don't do this to me. Please. I've been calling you all night. Till this morning I decided to call you again. And you were not picking your call. Even when I noticed that you were with someone on the phone. I called you a few minutes ago. And you were still with someone on the phone. You were not picking my calls. What is going on? Please talk to me, babe. Come on.
I want to be left alone.
Babe, I was calling you on... I called you a few minutes ago and you were with someone on the phone. Am I no longer your confidant?
Smart, I'm not your slave, okay? The last time I checked, I still have the right to decide who I want to talk to and who I do not want to talk to. So please, at this point, I want to be left alone.
Someone may be your best friend today, but tomorrow you're worst enemy. If you're jealousy, oh, you can know.
It's okay. It's okay. Have a nice day.
Good. I'm so confused right now. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. God. I don't know.
Obele! Obele! Obele, come out and open this gate. I know you're in there. Yeah, Obele. Gate. I know he's in there. I know you're hearing me. I know you're hearing me. Obele, you have to settle me.
Uncle Smart, just calm down.
Thunder fire you. Thunder fire you. Obele, he has settled. I cannot suffer for you and throw you. You throw me out like a piece of shit. Obele, after suffering for you, after all the things I suffered for you, I sacrificed for you, went to jail for you. Obele, I went to jail for you. You remember me here for 6 months. I went to jail for nothing. For something I know nothing of. I went to jail for you. Remember this thing. Obele, you have to settle me for everything I've done for you. You have to settle me. If it takes for me to sleep here the rest of my life, and you come out and see me and settle me, I will be here. I will be here, Obele. Obele, come out. I know you can hear me. You can hear me. Come out and settle me. Obele. Obele. Obele, come out here. I know you can hear me. Come in.
Oga Smart is at the gate behaving like a madman. He's even hitting the gate, do like as if he wants to fall on this building. And Let's let me come and tell you so they can do something before people these days they start calling you for phone, asking you what is going on.
Go back to your duty post. I will handle it from here.
Okay, sir. Sir. Should I bring him in so that at least to avoid unnecessary attention? So that people will not come in and thinking that there is war here, thinking that there is a problem. Let me bring him in. He can be doing his madness inside his compound.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? I just told you right now that I'm going to handle it from here. Why are you asking me so many questions? I did not ask for your opinion. Smart. Smart. Chike, where are you?
Hello? Hello, Chairman. Yes, what else, sir? I'm on the street. I'm buying something. Yes, sir. Is this smart? Okay. I'm coming right away, sir. Yes, sir. All right, sir.
What is it? Huh? Why don't you stop in the room? Why is Obele ask his man not to allow me enter the compound? For what? Why must I suffer for this guy and he threw me out like a piece of shit? For what?
I know you're angry at this moment, but please,
Obele,
let us leave here at this time.
I am not living here.
You're creating a scene.
I served this guy for 3 years. For 3 years he has not settled me. I single-handedly, I was the person cleaning up this compound, cooking for him, doing everything for him.
Smart.
I want to jail for this guy.
Smart,
for 6 months.
I understand, Smart. I understand.
You don't understand.
You're creating a scene and people are gathering here.
Obele must come out and tell me why he asked the gate man to throw me out, not to open the gate for me. What have I done to him?
Smart,
how have I wronged him?
Let us
how?
leave here now. Smart, come on, let us leave here.
Obele, I know you can hear me. I know you can hear me.
Have I ever deceived you before, Smart?
Obele, Smart. What are you doing here? What is it now?
Let us leave.
What is it?
You're creating a scene. People are gathering here already.
I don't look like a scene already. So what's my business?
Do not do something that you regret tomorrow.
You see this? You see, at this point, I don't care. It's not my concern. Obele,
Smart, let us go now. Let us leave here.
Do not I'm frustrated already.
I know you're frustrated. I know you're frustrated. You can do anything at this point in time.
Let
us go. Let's leave. You're creating a scene. What is this now?
I will just transfer the whole aggressive on you.
Please transfer it, but let's leave here. Let's leave, please. Let us leave. Thank you. Let's go now. Let us go.
Chicken eyes one. Smart. I hope you're not trying to fight with your God. I hope you still value the little life you have. I just hope so. I hope so.
Eelen. No woman in her right senses will want to say no to you. I mean, you're handsome, you're intelligent, you're outspoken, and most of all, you're rich. So tell me what a woman wants in a man that you don't have. You have everything.
So why are you not saying yes to me? I mean, if I have all these qualities you just mentioned.
You already know the reason.
I've already shown you that reason of yours is totally unacceptable. He doesn't deserve you. You deserve much better.
Can I ask you a simple question?
Go ahead.
If you were smart, how will you feel if you are being treated the way you want me to treat smart now?
It is simple. I'll just walk away. Yes, I will. See, let me tell you, my dear. Some things are not meant to be. Of course, we were destined to be together. Nothing will stop it. But if we're not, I'll just allow you to go and meet your destined partner. See, if that man loves you, I tell you, he will simply encourage you to go and be with someone better. I mean, a better option. Alright? I do not know why people will say good things coming to some people and they will decide to block it.
Okay. Eelen, if I'm going to accept your proposal, that will be on one condition.
Name it. Obelagona Chikwe, your son, didn't grow up with anxiety.
You'll have to settle smart with a sum of 50 million naira.
Oh! You see? I'm not a wicked soul. I mean, and have that particular figure you mentioned in my mind to give to him. 50 million naira. But you know, Smart is somehow behaving so stubborn. I mean, he told me that even with 1 billion naira, he will not let you be. And after hearing that, I mean, I decided to let him...
Eelen, please, just call him and sort out things with him. Only then will I be free with you.
Okay, does that mean that you've said yes to my proposal? I mean, if that's yes, then cause for celebration, I tell you.
Please, you've not done what I asked you to do and you're celebrating.
That is because it's as good as been done. Let's celebrate, baby, come on. Hey, let's celebrate now. Cheers to a new beginning. Cheers now.
Someone may be your best friend today, but tomorrow you're wasted
Hello dear. Oh yes, I'm home. Right in my living room.
People are asking for help, but the rich are oppressing them. Their power.
Surprise. But I'm just coming from outside. I did not see anything. Alright, no problem. I'm going out.
You took my car and service.
Yes, please. What are you saying? Jesus Christ. Babe. Did you buy this car for me?
Here is the key to the car.
Thank you.
And here is the car document.
Oh, wait, babe. Are you pulling my legs? Babe, you bought me a car. Like, are you for real?
God! This is incredible! I mean, this is too much! Babe, this is too much! I can't believe it! Are you for real? Like, this is my car! Like, this is my car? Thank you so much, baby! Thank you! Thank you! Oh my God!
Oh, please, madam, you need to sign here.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I just hope I'm not dreaming. Am I dreaming? Am I?
You rob me without shame, I go do you without fear. What the yeah. You must collect them. What the yeah. When you're papa knows, it's a payback time.
You dey play, you dey show.
Forget your money,
Come on! Don't play! Who dey check her? Let me go. It's your guy, but I'm so happy. God, bitch! Oh my God, this is big, this is huge thing. I want to make a public announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, I am now a car owner. Yes, sir. The days of trekking are over. The days of jumping keke and okada over. Otilo, my girl. Don't play. They whine. They put head upside down until they learn how to drive. I said I'm going to enroll in a driving school. And in a week's time. Oh my God, I'm thinking this and that. Oh yeah. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going with you. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going with you. Let's move. Go inside. Let's go. Let's feel this car, baby. I need to feel this car, baby. Yeah. Oh my God. It's yours. Yes. Yes. Red is your favorite color. You know now. I'm telling you. I'm letting you just say nice. It's giving my love. Yes, girl. That's it, girl. Let's go.
As you want fire, I must give you the fire. As you want more, I will give you the more. As you want fire, I must give you the fire. The battle line is strong.
Hey, baby girl. I don't even know why I did not add more to it. I was just adding extra. This meat is very nice. And the first time I met this guy, the first time I met him, he asked me to take whatever thing I wanted. He asked me to order anything I want at all, anything I want to go home with. My dear, look at me now. I went home empty-handed. I did not order anything. I'm telling you, and I said today, I must go home with something for me and my bestie to eat. You see, this is why I love you. I mean that when this money starts coming, when the money starts coming, you need to forget me. Forget you, girl. My papa. Look at me now. No, just look at me. I am not a car owner. Who would have believed it? Just 3 days ago, I do not have up to 500,000 naira in my account. But today, I'm a millionaire plus a car owner. Hey, is God not wonderful? Listen, this is a typical case of small girl with a big God. Hey! Hey! I'm so happy. I don't know, I can't even, my joy is too much. What is it?
Pick your call now. Pick your call, Helen. Pick your call. What is going on? Why are you doing this to me? Pick your call, Kwano.
He's calling. I don't know, each time I see his call, my mind, my heart skips. I feel so guilty. I don't know.
Smart, right?
Yes, smart.
I think you should pick his call.
Pick his call? If I pick his call, what will I say to him?
Okay, just wait, let me...
Pick what? No, please don't do that. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll talk to him later.
Listen, you know you can't keep doing this. You need to talk to him.
I know. No problem. I'll talk to him in my own time. I'll speak to him when I'm ready. Okay. Just lost my appetite. I can't. Oh.
You were not free. Now I know. You set me free.
Babe.
Yes? He's calling me.
Smart. Hey. My heart is skipping. I'm sweating. Internal heat. I don't even know how to react.
Let me just speak.
Hello? Hello, Joy. Joy, please. Your friend is not picking my calls. I don't know what is going on. Not picking my calls will do us no good. Huh? Yes, I know I failed her. She asked me this the day I proposed to her, and I told her that Obele is capable, that Obele, my friend, is going to help me. That Obele will not change. That Obele will not change. Okay, now that Obele has changed, can't we just go on with our marriage? Can't we just come together and know what we'll do and move on? Just put it together and know how to do this thing, no matter how little. Please.
Okay, she has not picked your call yet?
Not at all since that time.
Oh, okay, just relax, I will talk to her.
Please do. Please, I will really appreciate. Please. Talk to Helen for me, please. Please.
I will.
Okay, thank you.
Hey!
You heard everything.
Hey! Joy, are you sure? Do you think I can ever look at this guy in the eyes and tell him that it is over between the both of us?
Of course you will.
No, I don't see myself doing that. I can't.
What are you talking about?
You can't keep avoiding him for the rest of your life. Hey, you have to end things with him. Believe me, Joy, I don't see myself doing that. I don't see myself doing that. It's going to hurt him, can't you see? He really hurts him.
You took my gun and service for weakness. You must pay me for all I did for you. Life or death, you must pay me all. As you want war, I go give you the war. As you want fight, I must give you the fight. As you want war, I go give you the war. As you want fight, I must give you the fight. The battle line is strong forever. The bond is broken forever. No going back at all. You were bad friend, now I know.
Till the sun falls.
You served me faith for my kindness.
Wait.
Give you how you want it. I must give you,
Babe.
no more enemies.
Babe, open the door, please. Arlene.
Good morning.
Babe, what is good about this morning? Why are you ignoring my calls? Why are you doing this to me? Babe. Okay. Babe, if I have offended you in any way, please, I am sorry. Please forgive me. I'm kneeling down begging you. I'm on my knees. Please forgive me. Okay, I know I've failed you. You talked to me about Obele. Yes, Obele has disappointed me. You said it to me, but it has happened. But I am sorry. Stop hurting me. This thing you're doing is killing me. Please, forgive me. Forgive me, babe. Please forgive me. Okay? Babe, I know Obele has actually disappointed me, but it doesn't stop our marriage. We're still going to get married the date we chose to get married. Okay? All we have to do is to come together, hold hands together, put our heads together, and know how to do this, and know how to solve it. When we do it together, we will solve it. Baby, you're not talking to me. Babe, talk to me now. You're hanging me. You left me in the dark. Okay. You don't want me again, right? You now detest me. You don't care anymore, right? Baby, you don't want to talk to me. I know why you're doing this to me. You're not dating another person. You're double dating. Baby, you're really, really double dating. That's why you now have the heart to do this to me. I am talking, you're not talking to me. Okay, he actually bought you a car, right? This is why you're not talking to me again.
So the question is, who got me a car?
Your new boyfriend. Babe, your new boyfriend bought you a car. You know what I'm talking about. The car is parked there.
Just imagine.
Imagine what?
You just concluded as though I'm the only one living in this compound.
Babe, look at you. Can't even look at you can't even look at my face anymore. Babe, I'm talking to you. Look at. I'm not going to irritate you, right? You're done with me. Babe, Noah. Is this how you want it? Baby, you know what? I am not going to force you. I am not going to beg you for love. I will not. Just shoot yourself. Okay? But I don't expect this from you. This is the last thing. God.
No, Helen. Oh my God, I can't believe that I'm doing this. I can't believe that I'm doing this. You're in my house. Finally, you've come to my house. This is me. No bubbles on for. This is just me. Okay? You know, I told you I was into machine parts before the government banned the use of machine in this state. Okay, then, you know. Since that time, my business crumbled. I've told you all these things, okay? And then, this is just me. This is just me. You know, this is just me. But, you know, I'm now into street, okay? I'm into street hustling. That is what I do for now. I don't know how to say it before, but I just have to tell you, okay? Into street hustling. And whatever that comes around, I do. But I believe that someday God will change my story. Okay? God will change my story. You know, you saw me in the street and you accepted me. So, here was a good squad. But please, you know, there are plenty big guys out there. Guys, you know, guys, don't leave me and start following them. So someday I'll be a rich guy. Really?
Are you going to leave me? Is it fun?
Of course it is. I mean, you think I've not seen rich guys and you think I've not been seeing them.
Why did you accept me?
I've met a lot of rich guys before I met you. But you see, what a woman have in mind before entering into a relationship determines the kind of man she chooses for herself. I mean, I'm not one of those girls that lazy around, doing nothing, looking for a man to pay their bills and all of that. No, I'm not that kind of woman. I'm a very hardworking girl. I make my own money and I pay my own bills.
Wow.
So my choice of man is different, smart. I go for a man that I love, a man that I cherish, and a man that I want, whether he has money or not.
That's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm talking about. You see, I promise that I will never leave you. I will always love you and I'll always be there for you.
And I promise to love you to eternity, baby.
Eternity Tekolaka. Are you sure?
Forever.
Are you sure?
Of course. Yes.
Come here. Oh. Do you like my bed? Say the truth, do you like my bed? Why are you doing this to me? What have I done to you? Why? What am I going to tell my people? That a girl I introduced to them that I want to marry is no longer with me? That a girl that I've come to show them is no longer with me. What am I going to do? And what have I done to deserve this? What? How am I going to explain this? How do I say this? How do I tell my people that the wedding is no longer going to hold? How do I do this? How? Hey boy. But she never told you so. The evidences are there. She doesn't know how to tell me. But you know, she made me believe that there is no amount that a guy will have. I mean, there is no amount of money that a guy will have that will make her succumb to the guy. That is what she made me believe. And I believed her. Because she's hardworking. And she's making her own money.
Did she return your ring?
Not at all. Not at all. She's still wearing it. And I don't know why.
Smart. For now, you're just making assumptions. You understand? Until she returns that ring and tells you it is over. Then you will know you hold her by her word. But I believe she's doing this based on what happened between you and your chairman.
Obele. I don't really have time for Obele for now. But the day I will sleep and wake up, and my spirit remembers Obele. Two things. Either he kills me, or he will settle me that day.
Calm down. Smart, calm down. The girl is still yours.
This is exactly 1 week. I went to see her. I've not called her, and she did not even bother to call me. Our date is just by the corner. Yet, she did not see the need for us to see. Either to plan our wedding or to return my ring. Her mind is already made up. I will survive this. I will surely survive this. I wonder what is keeping her from returning my ring.
You took my gun and service for weakness. You must pay me for all I did for you. Life or death, you must pay me all. I see you want war, I go give you the war. I see you want fight, I must give you the fight. I see you want war, I go give you the war. I see you want fight, I must give you the fight. The battle line is strong forever. The bond is broken forever. No going back at all. You were bad friend, now I know. You served me pain for my kindness.
Oh, my baby is now a driver. The way it ought to be.
All thanks to you. I mean, ever since you came into my life, you made it so easy and beautiful.
I need to continue like that. To continue getting better and better and better.
Right? Thank you so much, baby.
I like the way you call it, baby. That is it. Asao Belle. Come. Let's go inside. Let me entertain you, right?
Alright.
Come.
Wait, is my eyes deceiving me or not? That's she now, she's the one. Wait, is she not the girl Oga Smart introduced to Ogobele as his wife to be? That's she now. Now I know the reason Ogobele said he should not enter his house again. Now I know why he said I should not open this gate for him. Hey! Oh! Damn it. Women! Now, una too like life. Eh? Now, anywhere where money dey, that they see you. Now, anywhere money is come, I don't go that side. Hey, but it's not good now. It's not making sense. Why will Ogobele do this thing? Why will he do such a thing, sef? This, oh no, this is wrong. It's not supposed to be so. The highest bidder wins the case. That's women for you. Uncle Smart. Sorry, no vex. Take heart. If my money comes with my money, if my money dey, how you go serve that guy with your mate? Huh? My money be found, but
for all I did for you.
Now you're welcome.
Life or death.
My home. Your new home to be.
Thank you, but this is not my first time.
Of course, it's not your first time. But you came as a visitor. And now you're coming as a house owner.
Obele, you.
Obele, kidney. Yeah? Obele, I'm gonna achieve your soft.
Oh.
You know, the last time you came, you end up here. And now, please give me the chance to show you around your home, your new home.
Really? Very well then.
This way. After
Now today I find out, so when I say this will go on, now today now I find out. I don't know if it's not the house. Hey, sorry, no offense. I don't know if it's now.
Well, what are you talking about?
You know, this is the beginning of our newfound love. This love, I pray, will last forever. And also let God give Obele the money to maintain this love. And keep you far, far away from good for nothing young men that will come to, deceive you. You know, I love you, right? Come on, let's share.
I know enjoy the money. I'm not part of it. I know enjoy the
My friend, open the gate. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. Just open this gate. Don't open the gate. Obele say make you no open gate for me. Obele see I am not leaving this gate today. Obele, I am not leaving this gate today. I am going to disturb the neighborhood.
Good things happen to beautiful people. You know, but I do not want you to bring another man's ring to my house. It's not fair.
Well, that's because I have not returned it.
Then what are you waiting for? Return it!
Okay, I am waiting for you. We had an agreement, remember?
Yes, I know. So listen, if it's about me giving Smart some money, I would do that, alright? I'm just waiting for the right time.
So when is the right time?
There will always be the right time.
No,
right? It's not fair you wear another man's ring.
I need to know the right time because I expected you to have given him the money now.
What is that?
That's Smart the gate.
Smart?
Yes.
Please don't let him in. Tell him not to let me in. I don't want him to come in here.
Wait. Go back to your duty post and come in. Okay, I'll handle it.
Obele, you must settle me or you came. Even if my dead father come here today and tell me to leave this gate, I'm not going to leave this gate. Obele, either you kill me or you settle me.
Butu. I don't know. Butu.
You people should open this gate.
Please, don't let me. I don't want him to see me. Please, let somewhere.
Relax. I will handle it, right?
Okay.
Relax.
Let me just hide. Oh my God, he has been training me. Smart. What do I do?
You must settle me today or you keep. Come on, come on. Mamoto, yeah.
You took my gun and service for weakness. It brought me
Obele, please, I have to leave, okay? Just let me go. I'm no longer comfortable here.
I have taken care of the situation, right? Just relax. Okay?
Obele, yes, I know you've taken care of the situation, but I don't want to stay here. Just let me go, please. I beg you.
This is the first time you're coming to my house since we started dating. And you just want to live like that. Just like that.
Obele, why are you acting like you don't know why I want to leave? I want to leave. I'm not comfortable. My body is not settled. Just let me go, please.
Can I get something straight here? Are you still dating Smart? Because I don't get it. Who is here to come and disrupt our happiness? Huh?
We had an agreement, sir. So the earlier you do the needful, the better for us. Give him the money and watch everything fall into place. Excuse me, please. Jude, open the gate for me! I said you should open the gate. Open it!
Down, bring him down.
Wearing his Smart's engagement ring to his house. What were you thinking? Huh.
Joycey, I just want Obele to see reasons why he needs to settle Smart. That's just it. Okay? I just wanted him to give Smart the money so we can start off officially. That's all.
Yes. Oh. Why don't you be scared when you heard Smart was at the gate? You're wearing his engagement ring and you went to his friend's house. His best friend, his boss. No, things aren't done that way.
But babe, I just told you my reasons.
Yes, your reason is totally inconsequential. As it is, you're already dating Obele. Yes, it's true you guys have not made out, but you are dating him. Otherwise, what were you doing in his house? You drive the car he bought you around town? You spend the millions he sends to you on weekly basis. And you're still wearing Smart's engagement ring. It doesn't make sense.
Believe me, Joy, it's not it. I'm just scared. I'm scared that Obele will not give Smart this money. That is my fear. I don't want him to be so relaxed and feel like I'm all his, and then he will not give Smart the money. That is it.
Let me ask you. Do you still want to go back to Smart? Maybe if Obele, say he's not going to settle him, will you go back to him?
Oh, Joy, what is this now? No, why are you doing this? Why? You're the one that gave me this advice. You were the one that advised me. You said, Helen, go ahead and date Obele with the condition that he has to settle Smart. Why are you saying you
complicated issues? You did. You started dating him without waiting for him to do the needful. Yes, you should have waited
for him to do it first. But no, you started dating him. You accept his gifts, his money. Come on, girl. You still have smart ring on your finger. No, things are not done that way. Okay, fine. What do you want me to do now? What am I supposed to do? The best thing to do is to return the ring. You just have to return it to Smart. Then you follow up on Obele to do the needful. That's what you should do.
She wants me to settle Smart. Settle Smart with my money before we can stay together as a man and a woman. Yet she enjoys my money. Enjoys all the gifts I buy for her. Smart. Smart. Smart that challenges his owner. His maker. Smart that sees me as his greatest rival. Does he deserve my money? Does he?
I
know what to do.
are asking for help, but the rich are oppressing them with their power. Yeah, maybe we'll be better than say, maybe did I this everyone more? Yeah, maybe we'll be better than say, maybe did I this everyone more? Yeah, maybe we'll be better than say, maybe did I this everyone more? Yeah, maybe we'll be better than say, maybe did I this everyone more? Yeah, maybe we'll be better than say, maybe did I this everyone more? Yeah, maybe we'll be better than say, maybe apology, man, onye mmananya sachuano sinokwu mu bozokwano odezimma ai okwa kan netesi aka mgbojiri etu enwe n'isi ezi oyimo uche ga adịkwa ya o. Someone may be your best friend today, but tomorrow you're worst enemy. If a little jealousy, greediness, people are asking for help, but the rich are oppressing them with their power. Yeah, maybe we'll be better than say, maybe did I this everyone more? Yeah, maybe we'll be better than say.
Chike, thank you so much for everything. Thank you. God will bless you for me.
No need to thank me. What are friends for?
Please. Someone is knocking at the door. Help me check.
You took my car on service.
Smart, you have a letter.
What was that?
The courier service personnel ordered it and I just signed it for you. I don't know what it is.
Life or death, you must pay me.
attached to this letter is your engagement ring. I don't know how to explain to you, but I can't continue. I've called to inform you that the marriage is cancelled. I wish you good luck. What have I done? I want to know the very man that is doing this to me. I really want to know the man that has taken my position.
Smart, put yourself together. Consider your condition at the moment and put yourself together, okay?
Did she consider my condition before doing this to me? What have I done? How have I wronged her? Is she breaking my heart? Why? Why?
It's okay, you'll be fine. Remember, when one door shuts, another opens. Okay? Put yourself together. God will still come true for you. Okay? You'll be fine. Sorry. Be a man.
You took my time and service for weakness. You must spend me for all I did for you.
Please, I'm so sorry for bothering you. I got the message. I think you know. If they really care for you. Okay, I want to ask if I...
The battle line is strong forever. The bond is broken forever. No going back at all. You were bad friend, now I know. You served me faith for my kindness. I go give you, give you, give you, baby, how you want it. I must give you, give you, give you, baby, how you want it. No more friendship, no more. We are enemies, no more. No more friendship. I'll be American. We are enemies. I'll be
Did they have to hit him so hard to get him out of the gate? Huh? Yes, I know he was making a scene. The best thing nobody would have done was to call him for a dialogue and settle this guy.
Exactly, babes. Exactly. I mean, I had no idea. Believe me, I didn't know that he's in so much pain, that he was in such a bad state.
Well, you just left him unconcerned.
Come on, it's not it, babe. The thing is that I can't stand him. I can't even look at Smart in the eyes. Each time I just see him, this, I don't know, I can't even control myself.
You still love him, right? Helen, are you still in love with him?
I don't know. Maybe it's my conscience that is judging me, or it's the both of them. I don't know.
Listen, it's okay. Just calm down. Everything will be fine. But I just think nobody should settle this guy. I don't support evil. He should do the needful.
Exactly my point. Talk of the devil, he's calling. Hello? I'm not happy with you.
How? What did I do wrong?
Did you have to send thugs to beat him up? Did you? Where is your conscience after everything that Smart has done for you?
See, baby, I can explain, okay? The boy was aggressive that day. You were there, right? He was constituting nuisance everywhere. I had no other option than to call thugs to pull him off my gate. Though I didn't know the extent of the beating they gave to him anyways.
When are you sending him the money?
That is the main reason I called. You need to come to my house. We need to see each other.
I'm not coming to your house, Obele.
Okay, fine. Fine. Let's see at any restaurant of your choice. At your convenience, right? Okay, bye.
Can you imagine?
What did he say?
That I should come to his house, that we need to talk. And I said I can't come to his house, and he said we should meet up in a restaurant. Restaurant is better. He needs to give Smart this money. He needs to settle Smart. That's my major concern.
You just have to. And just follow it up, baby girl. And I'm sure you'll do the needful. Okay?
Alright, girlfriend. Where am I even dropping you?
Just down the road.
Oh, Jesus.
It's okay.
It's
okay. Let's just go.
Smart.
I must fight you.
I've been with you throughout yesterday. I only went home to do a few things. I came back only for you to leave this house in this condition. After everything I told you yesterday.
I only wanted to know who my replacement is. That is what I want to know. I want to know who the person is.
What do you want to do with this person? If you find out who this person is, what do you want to do with the person?
Nothing. I just wanted to know.
Oh, shut up there, my friend. Look at this one that was almost beaten to death. Yeah? You know who sent this assassin to you, and you haven't taken legal actions against them. And you're saying rubbish.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? You want me to go and arrest Obele? Obele that you know that has bossed over all the policemen. AIG of police is his bosom friend. You can't just take any legal action on him. Any legal action you take on him is going to turn to something else. You know, I know what he requires, but I'm not his match. On a very good day, I know he's going to meet with his match.
On the Zimma, I
didn't tell them to maltreat him. I only told them to come to my gate and drag him out of that place because he was constituting nuisance there. I didn't know they would go that extreme.
You didn't know, but you gave the order. No, you never gave that order, Obele. Fine, when are you sending me the money?
I am not giving him the money now. He will use it against me.
He will use it against you? I don't understand how.
See, 50 million naira. It's not a child's play. Do you understand? And Smart has never in his life seen that kind of money before. Of course, he's going to use it against me. Do you understand me? He will do everything at all costs to have you back. I mean, we were already in love with him, so he has the upper hand.
Obele, please, can you stop all this? Just stop. What is this now? Just transfer the money. It's very simple. Transfer the money. Trust me, I'm not going anywhere. I'm here with you. I'm with you. Just give him the money. What are you mean?
Did you say trust? Trust? That's too risky, please. I mean, he trusted you, remember?
You didn't say that to me. Did you?
I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to insult you. But please, I beg you, allow me to follow my plan.
Your plan? I don't trust your plan either. And I'm sure that Smart believed in that same plan, remember? He trusted your plan.
Oh, fine. I will transfer the money to you here and now. But please, don't send it to him. We'll send it at the right time.
At the right time? So when is the right time?
After our wedding.
Hey! Our wedding is like forever. I mean, Obili, please. Give it to me.
You just listen to me. Relax. See, I plan on having our white wedding abroad. Paris, France. Okay? So I'll go and meet your parents and pay your dowry. After that, we proceed for our court wedding here. The night of our court wedding, you transfer the money to him. Deal. Deal?
People are asking for help, but the rich are oppressing them. But their power, yeah, maybe we'll be the easy way, maybe the diabetes everyone them all. Yeah, maybe we'll be the easy way, maybe the diabetes everyone them all. Yeah, maybe we'll be the easy way, maybe the diabetes everyone them all.
I know.
Yeah, maybe we'll.
So now that I've transferred the whole money to your account, when are you planning on coming to my house?
Well, I'm coming tomorrow.
Ooh.
And I'm not just coming alone, I'm coming with my bags. I want to leave that house for joy. And I'm no longer comfortable with the way Smart's badge is staying on me anytime he. It feels like it's making me uncomfortable.
Baby, you are free to pack into my house, right? As a matter of fact, you can come in anytime, any day. Anytime you wish, you're welcome to my home.
It's no problem. I must say thank you for everything.
Come here. I'll be expecting you.
You see me soon. This evening.
Right, this evening.
Alright. Try safely?
Yes, you too.
Alright.
The other side.
Oh, yeah.
Please, can I see her?
Who? Helen?
Of course, Helen. Who else?
She didn't tell you.
Tell me what?
Helen doesn't live here anymore. I'm the one that lives here now.
How? Since when?
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago? She didn't tell me. Oh. Okay, please, can I have her current address?
She lives with her man. They are getting married soon.
Getting married? Helen.
I thought you guys broke up a long time ago. Helen has moved on. I think you should do the same.
It's okay. Thank you.
Service for weakness.
Babe, your boyfriend bought a car. Eh? Also a car. Oh, my helicopter. Please, Jerry, that's his boss's car, Jerry.
Hi, ladies.
Hello. Babe.
Yeah.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
Yes, I wanted it to be a surprise.
Surprise? You'd have ended up surprising yourself because we were about going out. You'd have met our absence.
Really?
Baby girl, what kept us now? Why did we waste so much time before you?
My spirit kept you guys. You see?
No, babe.
Yeah.
A phone call wouldn't have been bad. You would have just called to say, hello, babe, are you home? Where are you?
Yes, I've been doing that, but this time around, I wanted it to be very different.
Oh, okay. All right.
So where are you guys going to?
Well, Joy wants to follow me to the mall. Okay,
Okay.
I got an order from a client to make a dress. So I want to go to the mall to get the material.
Okay, then let me drop you off.
Oh, thank you
you.
very much.
Okay,
You just make our
let's
journey
go.
easy.
Let's go. Easy. I'll get a new house.
Flatter me, baby.
No, I can't flatter you. You know, from the very first day I set my eyes on you, I couldn't just take you out of my head. You brought in so much joy to my heart. And I keep asking myself, where have you been all this while? Why haven't I met you? Why?
Baby. Anyways, thank you for the complimenting words. They gladden my heart.
You're welcome. You know, I can't just stop thinking about you. Babe. Sweetheart. Please. Will you marry me? Please don't say no, please.
Smart, can you get up? Just get up.
Not until you say yes.
Smart, get up. We need to talk, and you know why. Just get up, please. I
I
beg
am
you.
not going to get up until you say yes to me.
Okay, yes, I will marry you, but can you just get up first?
Oh my
please, I beg
God.
you, just get up.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you so much, baby. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you, babe. You like it?
You took my gun and service, no weakness. You must pay me for all I did for you. Life or death, you must pay me all. As you want war, I go give you the war. As you want fight, I must give you the fight. As you want war, I go give you the war. As you want fight, I must give you the fight. The battle line is strong forever. The bond is broken forever. No going back at all. You were bad friend, now I know. You served me praise for my kindness. I go give you, give you, give you, baby, how you want it. I must give you, give you, give you, baby, how you want it. No more friendship, no more. We are enemies, no more. No more friendship. I'll be American. We are enemies.
But I told you to forget about that girl, didn't I?
Chika, you think it's easy? Huh? I don't blame you because you've never been in love before. Don't blame you.
To hell with love. To hell with love, my friend. Which can talk with that one now? My friend, go and make money. Go and make money. Once you make money, these girls, they will rush you. They will come after you. Go and make money. You're telling me because I've not been in love before.
Hello? Oh, she's at the mall now. With a guy? Okay. Okay. I'm coming there right away. I'm coming now.
Where to? Where to? Where are you going to?
Just stay here and wait for me. I'll be right back.
So you now use people to trail the girl, right? My brother, come on body for where this girl is. You go home though. You go home. Wait for what? Because of the life, come on body for that girl. You go home though. Which kind of man baby this self?
That white guy?
Yes, sir.
This car looks like Obele's car now. Are you sure it's this white one again?
100% sure. Oh my God, I'm out 247 active.
Okay.
It's not what you think. I can explain. What happened.
Hey!
Believe me.
To explain what?
Please, I beg you.
Are you okay? Why are you panicking because of this riffraff here?
No, please. I can explain to you what happened.
Get inside! Come on! Get inside! Are you okay?
Someone may be your best friend today, but tomorrow your worst enemy. If you jealousy, oh, you can greediness, oh, you can
Why are you embarrassing me? Why are you embarrassing me in front of that boy? Huh? A boy I fed for over 3 years. Huh? A boy I paid his house rent. A boy I fed for 3 years. A boy I bought clothes for. A boy that served me. You're rejecting because you saw him. Because he saw you with me. Ibalikom. Eelen, Ibalikom.
I'm telling you! Can you just stop? Stop!
Shut up! Shut up! I am Obele. Obele, I go. Nachi, where you are so. If I come, you're not supposed to do that. I do not want to hear you mention that name here.
Hey!
I don't blame you.
What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I'm so sorry.
You're not supposed to do anything and you're not sorry for anything.
Obele, can you just stop?
Shut up! Shut up! On Monday, Kwoku. Obele Kuna Kwagoku. Yes! Shut up!
You're so mean. You're so mean. You don't know that you don't know that what Smart just saw is gonna break him. This was not the plan, and you know it. I didn't know he was gonna say.
Helen! Helen! I don't want to pull over. I don't want to hear your voice again.
People are asking for help, but the rich are oppressing.
Hey! Hey!
What is it? Chicken.
Chaiko, what do you?
What is it? What is it? You just very tired.
This world is terrible, horrible, and wicked. Hey!
What is it? The world is wicked.
Chaiko, you can't even imagine what I saw today.
What did you say?
If you see what I saw today, you'll be marveled.
Smart. Are you going to say it or not?
Hi! Chaiko. Okay, let me start by telling you that I saw Helen today.
Helen?
Yes.
You're Helen.
Now guess whom I saw Helen with.
I don't know. I'm not good at guessing.
Just guess, Goody. Just guess whom Funyana Helen today.
Hey! Nobody's coming to my mind.
Chike. I saw Obele and Helen together today.
Obele.
Your Obele. Obele is Helen's new boyfriend with the shakam all this while. Hey! You know the worst part of it? Chike, they are getting married.
Hey! Jesus! They're getting married! Hey! Hey!
I am sure you know about Smart's girlfriend.
You mean Helen?
Yes, that's her name.
Anything?
Nothing much. I just feel, I like Smart so well. And I do not want him to fall into the wrong hands of marriage.
That's so thoughtful of you. I know her. She's a very homely girl.
Same thing Smart told me. But as a boss and as a friend, I need to also make my findings also. Right? See, I like this guy so much and I'm beginning to feel a little uncomfortable about this girl and this marriage thing. I mean well for him. Do you understand?
Yeah, I do.
So, I'll be needing her phone number and also her house address.
Okay. Alright. If you want it, I have it. I can give it to you. Her phone number and her address.
Just send it to my phone. And one more thing. I do not want Smart to know anything about this.
Okay, no problem. Since it's for a good thing, intention, no problem.
Good.
Child! I'm sorry, my friend. I'm sorry I sold you out. I'm sorry I sold you out. Obele used me. He was just behaving like he was a good person. He said he doesn't want you to fall into the wrong hands when you want to get married. I will give you Helen's phone number and house address. Because it was... Really used me.
Chike, don't even worry yourself. Do not bother yourself because the jackal did what he knows how to do best. So it's not your fault. It's not your fault at all. It's not your fault.
Oh my God. Obili. Why now? Why?
Okay.
How can you be this wicked? You did this to your own friend. Wicked, sir.
What is the problem? Why are you sad? Are you going to remain like this for the rest of the day? No, tell me. Why are you thinking about this boy you ought to have forgotten by now? Why? See, you're making me feel guilty about this whole thing, and I don't understand it. I never forced you now. Eh? You're making me feel as if I forced you into this relationship. Whatever decision you took was solely on you. You knew what you were doing. You just stop making me feel as if I forced you into this marriage. Don't do that. I don't feel good about it. I don't feel good about it, please. You're here to stay. And you're here to stay forever. Alright? Good night.
Okwa kanete si aka mbojiri twewe n'isi ezi oyimo uche ga adịkwa ya o. Someone may be your best friend today, but tomorrow you're worst enemy. If you jealousy, greediness, people are asking for help, but the rich are oppressing them. But in their power, yeah, maybe we'll be the easy way, maybe.
Baby, the call is waiting! Women are preparation. Babe! Oh my God. Babe, come now! Babe, please now, people are waiting in the court, please!
that? Open the gate. Gas man. 1, 2. I don't feel to open. No. I don't feel to. Gas man. Move. I don't feel to carry go. No. I don't support you. I don't support you. I don't support you. Gas man, I'm here.
Oh my God, you are looking so beautiful. Yeah, she's always beautiful. Your knees now.
Smart.
Shut up on your knees.
Hey, smart people. Please. But, okay, calm down. Please, we can settle this man to man.
Yes.
Because there's no time to shed blood. Please.
So you know, Obele, you want us to talk. Obele, do you know how many times I've called your phone and you refuse speaking my calls? Do you know how many times I've come to this compound? You ordered your gate man never to allow me into this compound. Do you know how many times?
We can settle it now.
Yes.
We can settle it because I am your friend. You know that.
Yes.
Because we're friends.
Friends will be there. Obele, we are friends. Kill you there. You're a very heartless person. Do you know I'm 2 years older than you? But I served you. I served you with all my heart. I did all I did for you. Obele, I went to jail because of you.
Oh.
You made me went to jail for 6 months. I did all that for you. Obele. And all I did for you took the only thing that gives me joy. Because you're richer than me.
Hey. No.
You're very wicked.
Hey! Please, just calm down, Pico. Just take it down, please. You can have her, right? If you want her, you can have her, right? I paid in 15 million naira to her account to give to you.
Yes, baby. You gave me 50 million naira. Baby, please, I did it for you. Yes. I wanted him to settle you. So, he paid the money and I was supposed to send the money to you just after the courts were done. Please, I did it to take you out of poverty. Pico.
If you want more, I can add up 50 million naira and make it 100 million naira. You're richer than me. Please.
Just so late. No. It's just too late, unfortunately. You know what? I called the police before coming here. I told them to come here that someone is going to commit murder.
Hey! No, please.
You can't reject this money. You can't reject it.
Yes.
See, my boss, even my boss doing kidnapping business for me. There was never a time a company supported a client that client will not do everything to bring up money and save his or her life. Become smart. Relax, okay? Name your price. Because name your price, I am ready to give it to you. I've made a lot of money kidnapping business. Please, I beg you.
It's too late.
No. I can empty my account for you. Don't kill anybody.
Obele, too late. Obele, it's too late. And you betrayed our love.
No, please.
You betrayed our love because of money.
When
Why did you betray him now? Why did you betray him because of one problem we are friends? We know we can always sort out. You have to do that. Why? What have I done to both of you? Why? What have I done to you? Do you have to do that? Huh? Do you just have to do that?
Please, we can continue from where we stop. Please, I still love you. Please, I thank you. I still love you. I did it for all. I just wanted money. Please. I beg, I still love you. It's me. Is it your baby? Your baby, please, I beg you. Baby.
I say move! Move! Stop wasting your time. Move!